Welcome to the longest-lasting epoxies on the market. If you're watching this video, you've already taken the first steps towards your new epoxy floor. In this video, we're going to show you how easy it is to put down the most durable epoxy system available. If you can roll paint on a wall, you can roll our epoxy on your floor. We've engineered our epoxy resins to be superior, ensuring they deliver an exceptional layer of protection. They offer unrivaled chemical and oil resistance, are extremely abrasion resistant, and are 10 times more durable than traditional coatings. Ghost Shield epoxy coatings are manufactured in the USA. Available in clear, solid, metallic, and flake finishes, we're confident they can meet any requirement. And the best part, if installed correctly, they will last a lifetime. So let's get started. In this video, we're installing a full flake finish, which consists of a base coat, color flakes, and a strong as steel top coat. As with most jobs, surface prep is important. The surface should be clean, dry, and free of grease and oil. We highly recommend a concrete surface profile of a level 3 or greater, and this can be easily achieved by chemically etching or mechanical scarification. The base coat comes in two components, Part A and Part B. Begin by following the mix ratio and only mix what you can reasonably apply within the pot life time frame. Blend until material is streak-free, 1 to 2 minutes. Apply epoxy 325 at a rate of 200 square feet per gallon, remembering that epoxy 325 is a thin mill coating. If applying flakes, we recommend the epoxy 335. Start by cutting in along the edges with a brush. Apply the epoxy to the remainder of the floor using a roller. Spread the desired amount of flake directly into the wet material. After 24 hours, remove excess flake prior to applying the urethane top coat. You can do this using a broom or leaf blower and finish with a floor scraper to knock down any chips that may be sticking up. Urethane 645 is also a 2-components coating. Like the epoxy, mix Part B into Part A, only mixing what you can reasonably use within the pot life time frame. Apply clear urethane 645 at a rate of 350 square feet per gallon using a roller. It's best to keep a wet edge to avoid roller marks. To reduce metamerism, it's recommended to roll in one direction. Additional coats can be added to increase surface durability and extend surface life. If you have specific questions about your application, visit our website for additional information or contact us at 855-573-8383.